na ng buhay ko.
Ano yan, darling?
Flowers for my loved one.
Asus! Ang ganda naman ng flowers mo.
3
Wow.
kinds of roses.
Wow.
See?
Yes. Wow. Akala ko nag-buy ka lang. Dumaan ka pala doon. Namili ka. Ang ganda talaga to. Thank you very much, darling. Wow. Regalo kang asawa. Sa birthday ko. Ganda ng flowers na regalo. Thank you. Alam mo talaga yung favorites ko. Thank you, Lord. Lagay ko to sa altar. Yan. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng colors. May kombinasyon. Yan. Ilagay ko na sa altar yung regalo sa akin ng asawa ko sa birthday ko. Ayan. Ilalagay ko na sa altar to. Ilagay ko kay Mama Mary. Kay Papa Jesus. Yan. Ang ganda niya. Bagay talaga to sa altar kay Mama Mary at kay Papa Jesus.
Hey Lala, I make you gift. I make it this all by myself. I put the soft drink and this and this and this.
Wow,
and
thank you, baby Lala. Wow, it's nice na gabi. May sa'yo na ano? Happy birthday, Lola. Wow, I love you, bebe.
Me too, Lala.
Be?
Lala, I give you sandwiches because I don't like but Papa pat on you.
Wow, thank you for gift.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Me too.
Nag-glow na nga, oh.
Yeah.
Ito yung birthday. Happy birthday, Lola.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you.
Kablo na.
Lola, help Lola, help Lola, help Lola, help Lola. Wait, hold the candle. Sandali lang. Lola, quick. Make a wish. Happy
I
birthday.
wish Lala has the good, best luck.
Hop.
Happy birthday!
Yes! Happy birthday! Thank you!
You shocked, Lola. You shocked. Lola, she's shocked.
Talaga to.
Woohoo!
Oh, my gift na galirang apo. What is that? Wow, this
Happy
is...
birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday.
Oy, ang...
Give it to Lola. Give it to Lola, the birthday gift.
Wow, nag-birthdayhan tayo. Wow, thank you.
Lala can't hold it yet.
Baby.
Happy birthday.
I got
Ah, I open this? Wow,
Yeah.
thank you. Happy birthday.
together.
Together.
Ay, mayroon pang small?
Yeah.
Oh,
and
no.
there's another one.
Wow, dito kami sa kalye. Happy birthday. Wow.
Happy birthday,
What is this?
Lola. Open.
Wow. Help me. Dali, pasok. Oh, no. Oh, don't not throw your daan. Dali.
Okay, put it here, Lola.
Wow.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Wow.
Oh, later on, open it because it's hard to open.
Ngayon na, be.
Nakala mo birthday na.
What is this? Help lang si Lala. What
Happy
is
birthday,
this?
Lola.
Oh, what is that? What
Alam
is
ko sa'yo
this?
yung galing niya eh.
You take, Laura. You take. What is this? You help kay Lula. Oh, what is that?
Ay, open
Oh,
it
na-surprise
later.
naman tayo. Ay,
Open the
mabigat.
other one. Open the other one.
Oh, another one.
Ano birthday?
Dali, open.
Birthday ka. Open, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola.
Oh, open.
Open.
Ah, open. Happy birthday. Kanino galing to kay Lala?
I know how to open.
Baby.
Siya na yung may buka. Siya na may birthday.
Natuwa na siya magbukas eh.
Di ba si Madam ang
Oh
birthday?
no!
Ah,
Ay! Ano? Wow! Sa camera! Gabidyo tayo for camera! Thank you, Bibi Lara! Dali! Mayroon pa? Ah! Okay. Ha?
Lola, to.
Oh, Lara, dali! Ay, dali! Open tayo, dali! Share tayo! Oh. Ah. Oops!
ano?
Oh no! The beautiful
Wow! My
Wow!
Ito,
Wow, thank you very much.
Tapos ito, panibago. Kung gusto mo iba.
Ah, thank you, Laura. It's nice bag. Ah, wow. Gosh, thank you very much, Laura. You give my wow guest ng bag ko. Thank you very much. Thank you. Eh? Bit dami ng karton. Alis. Ayan po, aalis muna kami. Kaya dito kami sa kalye nagbukas sa baba ng bahay. Kasi wala namang
Ayan yung bahay namin. Ayan.
Wala namang celebration dito sa
May ilaw.
wala naman ditong ga-celebrate sa bahay kasi wala naman bisita. Kaya doon na lang kami sa resto. Nagpa-booking si Aisa, doon kami kakain.
Eat all you can.
Yes. Thank you sa regalo. Ang sa good health ko. Sana bigyan pa ako ng mahabang buhay tsaka ang buo kong pamilya. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Sa gift, tsaka ito card. Kamay ako nabuksan. Pupunta muna kami doon sa resto. Doon sa, mait muna kami. Isang oras yung biyahe.